Okay, got the digital readout there, and go to the rapid traverse forward and reverse, and then the cross slide rapid traverse, yeah, right, and the top slide rapid traverse. Okay, and the auto feed, that's a longitudinal auto feed, yeah. Okay, and can we have the cross feed? And a cross feed. Okay, good.
Top feed.
Top feed, yeah.
Disengage top feed.
Disengage top feed.
Disengage cross feed.
Good. Right, that's that finished, all working okay. I suppose is there a possibility of another speed?
Is it going still?
It's going still, but you can always cut it short. Okay, that's the faster speed, obviously.
Reverse.
And reverse. Okay, that's fine. Jolly good. That's all working fine. Nice quiet head. And